Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to see question and answers from Dental Materials Prosthodontics. So moving on to question number 1. The binder and phosphate bonded investment is, they've given 4 options: alpha hemihydrate, magnesium oxide, ethyl silicate, and none of the above. The answer is magnesium oxide. So if you see the composition of phosphate bonded investment, the main binder is magnesium oxide monoammonium phosphate and the filler is silica. So moving on to question number 2. Green shrinkage is seen in, they've given 4 options: ethyl silicate bonded investment, gypsum bonded investment, phosphate bonded investment, and all of the above. The answer is ethyl silicate bonded investment. The material, when it goes to setting, what happens is it loses alcohol and water, forming a hard gel, and this causes drying, and that causes the green shrinkage, the volumetric contraction. So moving on to question number 3. Hysteresis in a hydrocolloid gel is, they've given us 4 options. The answer is temperature lag between gelation and liquefaction temperature. See, unlike the common phase changes of water that freezes, melts, boils at the same temperature, reversible hydrocolloids does not melt at the same temperature at which it gels. So that is called as hysteresis. So question number 4. The impression material which has least dimensional change upon disinfection is, they've given 4 options and the answer is addition polysilicone. Whether you use your glutaraldehyde, that is Acidex, or any disinfection, addition polysilicone has very least dimensional change. So moving on to question number 5. Palladium is added to polyvinyl siloxane impression material as a scavenger, surfactant, plasticizer, or as a catalyst. The answer is scavenger. The palladium is added to polyvinyl siloxane impression material as a scavenger. So it actually aids in the setting of the impression. Question number 6. Dust-free alginate is manufactured by adding dash. Dust-free alginate is manufactured by adding glycol, glycerol, glutamic acid, or alcohol. The answer is glycol. As we all know, since the normal alginate, it is prone to cause silicosis, there is a need for dust-free alginate, so it's used. The modulus of elasticity is defined as, they've given 4 options: the stress at the proportional limit, the strain at proportional limit, or the stress or strain within the proportional limit. The answer is the stress or strain ratio within the proportional limit. So that is called as modulus of elasticity. See, the same modulus of elasticity can be asked like the question 8. Modulus of elasticity means what? They've given 4 options: rigidity or stiffness of the material, or the ability to be stretched with permanent deformation, ductility, or malleability of a material. The answer is the rigidity of a material or the stiffness of the material. That is the meaning of modulus of elasticity in a simpler term. Gypsum bond product having least expansion is, they've given 4 options: impression plaster, model plaster, stone plaster, and they've also given dye stone. So the answer to this question is dye stone. So the gypsum product having the least expansion is the dye stone when compared to all the other dental plaster materials. So moving on to the last question, question number 10. Sprue used in casting is made up of, they've given 4 options: wax, plastic, metal, and all of the above. The answer to this question is all of the above.